first walkthrough at 206. You can see water came about halfway up the yard from the swale. There's a pretty clear water line, so nothing made it up to the house. Garage door not in play. Looks like we just got some foliage, a little bit of leaf debris. Plants don't look too bad. You can tell they may have gotten a little wet. I'm sure it was just rain blowing in. But I don't see any evidence of water intrusion. Again, just a lot of foliage here coming off of the trees. Cabinets are in. Those were getting delivered the other day. Let's take a look out back. See what we got going on here. All right. It's like neighbors' fence came down. That'll get cleaned up. But other than that, literally just some branches. There's fence panels down pretty much all over town. That's probably the most common amount of damage that I saw driving around. But as soon as the guys get back to work, we should be cruising right along again on this. Again, we'll just take a quick look at your cabinets again. They look really nice. Countertops will go in next. Let's get this guy pushed closed. Definitely no evidence of water intrusion on the back either. This is all from dust from when they did the drywall. And if it got wet, that would turn into a pretty gnarly paste. So dry and dusty is a good thing. Also, not seeing any spots in the corners or around the edges of the home. No dark spots on any of the ceilings that would indicate a leak anywhere. Let's cruise through, take a look. Yeah. Clean as a whistle. Yep, zero issue with leaks from above. And your master bath vanities. So we're looking like we're in good shape. No sign of water intrusion. Again, you can see the dust and stuff that was swept up when they were doing probably the baseboards and left over from the drywall. Everything is dry by the back door. No sign of any kind of water line or water intrusion. Everything fared well out back except the neighbor's fence. And we're looking like we're in good shape. All right, I will get this to you and I am off to the next. Hope y'all are having a great day and didn't take much damage.